Hello and welcome to another part of ESXCLI video series. In this video I want to show you how to recognize version and build number of your ESXCLI whenever you are in shell environment or connected to the host via SSH. As the first action, you can simply run the dcui command and going to the dcui environment. As you can see, check the build number and version. So next option is VMware. Yes, you can see there is a VMware command, and you can run with two syntax -l and -v, or both of them. And as the third option, you can run ESXCLI and ESXCLI system version get to get the related information, and also check the number of update and number of patch and the update number. And in the next section you can go to the volumes in the VMFS directory and check for the boot config file. If you check its content, for example via cat command, then you can see the result of boot files and also the version and build number of your ESXi host. For the next command, you can go to the directory, then temp VMware-root, and then check any possible subdirectory, and also check one of them, and for example VMware-states, and okay, it's said about the version and build number too. Both of these files show you this information and also like time creation. Okay, these are 5 methods of finding the ESXi version and build number in a CLI environment, but maybe you can find more way of do this. I hope this gonna be helpful for you all, and until the next part, goodbye.